Welcome to the second devlog of Knife to a Gunfight. This month I made some good progresses, but first I need to talk about the game's name. As you have probably noticed in the title, I've decided to change the name to Knife to a Gunfight. The main reason for this change is that when you bring a knife to a gunfight is a bit of a mouthful. The first thing I did this month was adding a dash. The dash works by teleporting the player a few units ahead in whatever direction they are moving and then applying a cooldown. I also finally went around to adding movement to the enemy, so now he can fall around the player. To finish off the month, I did some more environment art. That's all I've done this month. I plan to get a bunch more done next month, but until then, make sure to subscribe to be notified next time I release a video.